In this tutorial, we will create a speaking action code. Speaking action codes can be used in many different ways. It is a word, phrase, or hashtag that may appear in a TV or radio ad, YouTube video, social media post, or anything else. Users then enter this word or phrase into the mobile or web app and send money to their club. Unlike the paper-based action codes that we covered in earlier tutorials, speaking action codes can be entered just once or multiple times. In this tutorial, we will create a hashtag speaking action code for a social media post. Hover over action codes in the navigation toolbar and click Add. Select Speaking Action Codes. Enter a title and select your store. Enable Can Be Redeemed in Communities, and then enter the amount you're going to send to the fan's favorite sports club when they redeem this promotion. In this example, it's €1. Loyalty points are for clubs, so you can leave that as 0. You can restrict how many times each user can redeem this action code. You can allow it to be redeemed only once or allow users to redeem it as many times as they like. If you leave it open, you can determine how much time users should wait in between redemptions. In this example, we are going to limit it to only one scan. You can also set a limit on how many times this action code can be redeemed by all users. In this example, I am going to limit it to the first 100 people that see my social media post. Now for the most important part. Enter the word or phrase users will enter in the app to redeem this action code. For this example, I will use a hashtag that I will then put in my social media post. In the advanced settings, you can determine how long the action code will be active for, and choose a follow-up action for users that redeem this action code. Click Save, and you have created your first speaking action code. Now I need to create a social media post that incorporates the hashtag to let fans know about this promotion. So let's check out what it looks like for fans. I have created an Instagram post that incorporates my speaking action code and explains how users can redeem this code. My followers can see this, open the MyFavorito app, and enter the hashtag. Activate the action code. And that's it! They can send money to their favorite sports club.